Just an extremely quick follow-up on the 500 SEC that I visited last weekend that would not start. It had very weak spark. I tested a replacement ignition control unit and coil and got it running. So the workshop has tried just a coil on its own, and that seems to have fixed the problem. It starts up instantly now with the brand new coil, so the original ignition box is fine. Just to demonstrate, this is starting with the new coil. So that's absolutely perfect now. Yeah, this car has been saved basically. It's ready to get restored, and no doubt it will come back looking brand new at some stage. But that's it for now, just a very quick update.